In front of me is HONOR MagicPad tool, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, just like in my case, click on this gear one instead. Now select voice typing and tap on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Make sure to be a bit closer to your device for your microphone to catch everything. If you wish to, you can always click on microphone icon, and when it's on, select tiny icon on the left of it. This one. Now hit next. Select Done and use voice typing from this toolbar. You can click on this microphone to turn it on or off. You can delete text on the go thanks to this button with an X. You can add any emoji by clicking on emoji icon, tapping on the ones you wish to add, and closing this emoji keyboard by clicking on X at the top left corner. Now to access keyboard settings, at least some of them, tap on those three lines on the left. If you want to move your toolbar, hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. To go back to normal keyboard, click on keyboard icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!